So I'm John Borzoni. I started in hydronic heating back in the late 1960s. We developed the AquaCoil in response to HVAC industry demand for a product that would enable them to do hydronic heating applications while still selling their primary brand of equipment. The coil was already fixed in place. You know, the water heaters, whether it's a tankless or a boiler or a tank, those are all well established. It's the interface between the two that becomes the issue. So the heat pump helper became sort of a natural extension of trying to merge those two pieces together.
We can heat the home with a water heater and do the domestic and the heat through the coil. So use the heat pump for what it's designed for, and that's the air and heat till it gets to about 40 degrees. And when that temperature turns to 40 degrees outside, you want some other option to actually heat your home more comfortably. You got one gas line running the two appliances.
The tools required are pretty simple. Bendis designed a plumbing board that has all of that in a box. So you pull that out of the box, put it near your hot water heater. It's got all the ins and outs labeled, and yeah, if you can connect PEX tubing, then you can make it happen. So it's substantially simpler than any other hydronic heating system.
It allows every installer across the country, regardless of their skill level, to be able to successfully install the system and have it just work. So it's a matter of hooking up the inputs and the outputs, following the pictures, and it's done correctly the first time, every time. And of course, the benefit to propane is that it does allow propane marketers to sell more gallons. It reclaims some of the loss to heat pumps, and rather than trying to fight electrification, it allows you to adapt and become part of it.
The benefits of this new technology, paired with the ease of installation, make this solution very powerful for the propane industry. To find out more about propane-powered heat pump solutions, visit propane.com/heatpumpsolutions.